We are from Bento.
Look at it, guys. Well, the main problem we're trying to solve is that we find that most people who have just started coding, or even who have been coding for more 2 to 3 years, we find that they're kind of stuck in this kind of loop. There's no they don't have a direction, how to further upgrade their skills, where to go. So the problem we're trying to solve is trying to give these developers the confidence and kind of a guidance to what to do, what to read, what tutorials to do, what kind of projects you can do to improve your skills, and just get out from becoming a beginner and move beyond that beginner stage.
I think we care about this problem because I very good know this problem. I'm also a beginner programmer and I have same problem. So we need something what will help us and improve us in the future.
So basically, we are sending newsletter weekly, and based on the user preference as well, to send relevant topics to the user every week, so that they'll get reminded to basically get things done and improve their skills consistently.
As for right now, we get our resources from Medium and also from various podcasts. And there's this master list of projects in GitHub, I think, that we scrape it. So, and videos from YouTube as well. So basically, all of this will store in our database, and we'll randomly choose the one that created in that 1 week. So you will send to our users. So everything will be randomized.
From the landing page, there are 3 options of signing up. There is the normal way, GitHub, Google Auth, and also the manual signing up way.
Alright, so now we're going to sign up with GitHub. So once the user completes this filling in their preferences, they will receive an email, 2 emails actually, one welcoming them to Bento. Alright, so welcome to Bento, you have your name, and more jokes. Alright, and now if we go to the next email, this will be your first so-called Bento box. Alright, so as you can see here, what do we have? An article about Docker and Elastic. Alright, talk Python. Alright, see if there's videos, podcasts, and a coding project. Alright, so the user can actually click on any of these and it will take them right to the video, podcast, or whatever content there is. And as you can see, voila. And as you can see, whatever that the user just received in the email will also be on the user's dashboard. So if anytime they want to go back and refer to any article, they can do so right from that dashboard. And the same thing here, as you can see, we have thumbnails for each of these content categories. So how we actually got this thumbnail is actually we used a Ruby gem called link thumbnailer. So what we did is we gave link thumbnailer a link, and from there we extracted a thumbnail, and then there we go. Alright, same deal here, click on any one of them, and voila. So yep, that is Bento in a nutshell.
Okay, for the email scheduling, we actually use Sidekick, and it's third-party extension, which is Sidekick cron. So as you can see, we use cron job for our scheduling. So for the newsletter, we actually schedule it to send every week, Saturday on 8 a.m. Now, how do we automate our we get our data from? So for here, for our video and podcast, we get its data every midnight. Then for articles, we get it for every hour, because somehow, as for right now, we're using Medium RSS. So Medium only has limited 5 items in one RSS. So that's why we need to keep syncing our database. Yeah, that's about it.